Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Before we proceed, don't forget there is a giveaway happening on my channel. Make sure not to miss out. Today, we are taking a look at the Hot Wheels 64 GMC panel, a collectible from the Star Wars Mandalorian series. Before we do that, let's unbox it. So let's discuss the detail of 64 GMC panel. It has a logo, the skull of Mythosaur. The 64 GMC panel has a Star Wars Mandalorian artwork which is designed with real rider tires and is presented in a color of grey and black. The GMC logo is located near the fenders, and the back of the diecast features tail lights and the license plate number at LFL. This collectible is sold in distinctive packaging and is available online at various prices. Talking about the Mandalorian series, which was debuted on Disney Plus November 12, 2019. The Hot Wheels 64 GMC panel inspired by that show. As for the real size vehicle, the 1964 GMC panel truck inspired the Hot Wheels. This model is a vintage classic, known for its significant cargo space and utility. Hot Wheels has indeed produced several toy versions of this iconic vehicle. For collectors passionate about the Star Wars and the Hot Wheels, this Hot Wheels car represents a valuable addition to any collection. Watch part 2 of me building the Mandalorian Lego set. It's going to be fun. Thank you for all your support. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.